Welcome to this 10-minute Somatic Pilates class focusing on reducing stress and relieving tension. We'll move slowly with the exercises, and for even more benefits, I encourage you to breathe deeply. To begin, join me on the mat on your hands and knees, spreading wide through with your fingers. Take a deep breath in to prepare. And exhale, your pelvis starts moving towards your abdomen, your lower spine opens, and inhale right back to neutral position. And repeat, exhale, pelvis and low spine, keeping your head and upper back where they are. Inhale to return. Exhale, pelvis and low spine round, keeping that rounded shape as you inhale, rock back. Exhale, shift forward. Inhale, natural curves. And let's repeat that. Pelvis and low spine. Rocking back and forward. Natural curves. As you're doing this, there's an easefulness in shoulders and neck. And one last time. Maintaining natural curves. Bend one elbow. Your spine will naturally start rotating, coming right back to center, and switch sides. Just take your time to do this slow rotation. Your head can spiral, looking over the shoulder as you bend the opposite elbow. One more time each side. Staying center now, and let one arm reach as far forward as it can go on the mat. Taking a deep breath in, and as you exhale, hips reach back, your upper spine comes forward, and you'll drag your long arm, letting your head go down. Hips reach to heels, and then reset onto both hands and knees and switch sides. So reach, inhale. Long breath out to drag back. Just taking your time, even if you take an extra breath or two. And then onto hands and switch sides again. So as your upper body comes down, your hips go back, your head releases, maybe sensing more sensation in that reaching arm. Just one more time each side here. Very nice. Let's come on to your front side on the mat, supported by your forearms. You can take your legs wide today, toes to the outside corners of your mat, and begin by letting your head look down and nod your head up. And just this gentle motion. If it feels too high for your back, just walk your elbows away a little bit. So you can adjust the level of this, how high your back is. Now you can keep it with this, or see how it might feel to keep your head down, and you'll start pressing with your arms, so your arms can go straight. You'll look forward and let your elbows come back down, and repeat that. So head down, gentle press with your arms, And just continue to do this slow movement, deep breathing. Another time here. Very nice. Your hands come together, your forehead onto your hands, and let your pelvis just sway side to side. So it's a gentle rocking. This is a perfect opportunity to breathe more deeply here. And as you exhale, what areas of your body can relax a little bit more? Then pausing. And let's have a seat now on your mat. So you'll have a seat. Begin with the soles of your feet together. The hands can rest on your legs. Deep breath in. Exhale, looking down and rolling your spine forward, and just take your time so it's not how close your head gets to your feet or floor. It's the movement through with your back instead. And then rolling back up again. And since this is so slow, you either take a really deep breath out, that end phase, inhale, and then exhale to roll up. Or you can take a few breaths if breathing that deeply doesn't feel nice for you. Let your legs come together and your legs will go to a straighter position, hands on the mat. Same spine movement. Exhale, bend your spine forward with your legs in a different position. You may notice a stretch is a little bit different now. And then roll back up again. And I encourage you, just find a nice easefulness with this, not even trying to go as deeply as you can into the stretch. And next time you come forward, stay there. Just go into bending one knee at a time. It's okay if your upper body moves a little bit here, but just shifting in the legs. Pausing with both legs, bringing yourself up, and make your way down onto your back on your mat. So on your back, beginning with the knees bent, just do a little check in here. Pelvis nice and square. Straighten one leg along the mat. Let the opposite thigh hug in towards the chest. Hands can be just below the knee. And little pulses in with that thigh towards you. Pulse, pulse. Shoulders just staying nice and open. Now circling your leg in one direction, using your arms to help the thigh circle. Reverse the direction, circle. Pausing, opposite hand to knee, other arm can open off your mat, and slowly rotate across your body. Taking a nice rotational stretch here, keeping both shoulders open. Still breathing deeply. Take another deep breath in. As you exhale, come back to center. Hug the knee tighter in towards your chest. Curl into that thigh, just one time, curl, curl, curl. Reset, bending both knees, feet down on the mat, and switch sides. So opposite leg to go straight, and take hold of other knee, and start with the little pulses in. Still breathing nice and deeply. Then 3 circles in one direction, letting the arms help you circle the leg. Reverse its direction. Then opposite hand to knee, free arm can open off your mat and slowly spiral across your body. Taking a few deep breaths here. Your next exhale, coming back to center. Hugging the thigh closer and towards you and curling up towards the leg once again. And let the opposite knee pull in towards you so you're in a tight little ball. And just do a few rocks here. A few rocks. And then a big rock to bring yourself all the way up. Inhale, extend through your spine one time. Coming back to natural curves and take a deep breath in here. Long breath out, shoulders soft and released. Do one final just check in. Are you holding tension anywhere? Jaw, shoulders, rib cage, back, hips that you just want to send a little bit more easeful energy to. And I hope you're feeling so incredible after that short session. Have a beautiful day and join me on the mat soon.